Hey guys, I've been wanting to clean up my desk and rearrange my items to make it more organized. As you can see in this video, I have limited space with a table of 100 cm wide. Also, having messy cables underneath the table is not pleasing to the eyes. Behind my monitor, there's a table lamp, dual speakers, and cables lying around. For my monitor mount, I'm currently having the F160NB North Bayou dual mount because I plan to get a second monitor in near future. This is my current desktop layout with minimalist wallpaper, but I don't like the overall layout, so I will be changing this also. I will not be talking during the cleanup, reorganizing, and cable management process, so hopefully you will stay until the end of the video. To have more space on my desk, I ordered a vertical laptop stand. Let's unbox this. I choose this vertical mount is because it has two adjustable slots to put my devices, and at the end of the two sides, I can put my notepad or phone. I will loosen the screw so you can see the flexibility. In this video, I only adjusted one side of it, and this can also be done on the other side. There are soft silicons on each surface at the bottom for a better grip. Overall, this vertical laptop stand is made of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. I bought this from Shopee and it only cost me around 29 ringgit 90 cents, which I feel it is pretty reasonable. Now, I can mount the MacBook Air instead of it laying on top of my desk, which takes up a lot of space. I will be reserving another slot for my Huawei MatePad, which I will be getting soon during the 8/8 sales. After 7 hours of sweating trying to clean up the dust and messy cables, this is the outcome of it. As you can see, the cable management is much better now. However, my cable sleeve hasn't arrived yet, so for now, I'll be hiding the cables at the back of a wooden board until it arrives. This is a better placement for the extension socket as the cables are nearer to the PC. For the cables, I tried to hide them behind this table leg. As my cable tie is too short to tie around the table leg, I used double tape to stick the cables, which I already grouped them together with cable ties. Lastly, it is my desktop layout. I like a clean and minimalist look, so I downloaded the rain meter to try it out. I'm so happy with the final outcome. This is how my desktop looks like, with the same wallpaper but a cleaner layout of icons in a honeycomb design, a music visualizer along with date and time placed at the center. Thank you for watching, and today marks the first month of my YouTube journey. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.